Hello everyone, I Vachal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the error can't connect to this network in Windows 11. So just follow the methods that I am going to tell you now. So the method number 1 is just go to the search bar, and now in the search bar just type view network connection. So yeah, it is already showing. Just click on the search result, view network connections. And now click on the Wi-Fi adapter. So it will be Wi-Fi written in its name. So just select it, right click over it, and now click on the option properties. And now click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on properties button. And now in this window, just select this option, obtain an IP address automatically. So just select it. And now select this option, obtain DNS server address automatically. So just select it. After this, just click on the OK button, click on close button. Now again click on the Wi-Fi adapter, right click over it, and now click on the option disable. Now wait for a few seconds, and now again click on the Wi-Fi adapter, right click over it, and now click on the enable option. So this will enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Now close this window, and now just try to connect to your Wi-Fi network and see if the issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 1. Now the method number 2 is go to the taskbar and click on the Wi-Fi icon. Now select your Wi-Fi network, right click over it, and now click on the option forget. So this will forget your Wi-Fi password. Now again click on the Wi-Fi network, click on the connect button, enter your Wi-Fi password, and click on the next button. So the Wi-Fi is now again connected, and now just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 2. Now the method number 3 is just go to the search bar, and now in the search bar just type CMD. Now right click over this search result command prompt, and now click on the option run as administrator. Click on yes. And now you have to execute some commands. I will give these commands in the video description, you can copy it from there. So the first command is netsh space winsock space reset, and now hit enter. Now the next command is netsh space int space IP space reset space reset log.txt, and now hit enter. Now the last command is ipconfig space /flush DNS, and now hit enter. Now type exit and hit enter. Now just restart your system, and after restarting your system, just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 3. Now the method number 4 is go to the start button, right click over it, and now click on the option settings. And now in the left hand side, just click on network and internet option. Now click on advanced network settings. Now click on the option network reset, and now click on reset now button. Click on the yes button. So your PC will now restart in 5 minutes. Just click on the close button. Close this window. Now after restarting your system, just go to the taskbar and click on the network icon. Now click on your Wi-Fi network, and now click on the connect button. Enter your Wi-Fi password, and now click on the next button. So you are now connected to the Wi-Fi, and now just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 4. Now the method number 5 is just go to the start button, right click over it, and now click on the option device manager. And now just expand this network adapters. And now click on the Intel Wireless AC 9560. So just click on the Wi-Fi driver. The name may be different in your system, like it may be Realtek or something else, but it will have this wireless or Wi-Fi written in its name. So just select the Wi-Fi driver, right click over it, and now click on the option update driver. Click on the option browse my computer for drivers. Click on the option let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now click on the first model Intel Wireless AC 9560 and click on the next button. Click on the close button. Now just close this window and restart your system. After restarting your system, just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 5. Now the method number 6 is again come to this device manager window and again click on the Wi-Fi driver. Now right click over it and now click on the option uninstall device. Now click on the button uninstall. Remember one thing, do not check this option. Attempt to remove the driver for this device. Do not check it. Just click on the uninstall button. Now close this window and now again restart your system, and after restarting your system just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 6. So these were the methods that you can try out to fix can't connect to this network in Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.